Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Keon, again with Used Imports Auto. I have here a 2021 Ford F150 XLT. The XLT is one of the most popular trims, offering a balance of capability, technology, and value. This beautiful bed option comes with the 6.5-foot bed length, lots of space, lots of storage available. This beautiful truck comes with a tow package. Capacity is up to 13,000 pounds. Amazing. All right, guys, let's take a look inside for the interior. It comes with the power windows, manual seats, which are probably better, cloth interior with the steering wheel controls. Also comes with 40,000 miles on the dash, guys. 40,000. All right, guys, this truck comes equipped with the two-wheel, four-wheel, and all-wheel drive drivetrain. This vehicle also comes with the blind spot monitors, lane keeping assist, pre-collision assist, and rear view camera. Also, this vehicle comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth Connect. All right, guys, this truck comes with a 5.0 liter TI VCT V8 engine. Comes equipped with 400 horsepower at 6,000 RPMs, 410 pounds foot at 4,250 RPMs. You pretty much get 17 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per highway. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Again, my name is Keon with Used Imports Auto, located at 442 South Atlanta Street, Roswell, Georgia, 30075. Phone number 770-881-8008. And get this beautiful truck off the lot. It's not going to stay long, so come get it while it lasts.